Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Hope you're well. I am not well. I am full of cold. So if I sound a bit snotty, I apologize, but I cannot help it. I've got a cold and it's 30-degree heat out here. I don't know. Anyway, trades, guys. So as usual, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. We've got quite a busy news day today. So let's start with yesterday's trades. And this is the trade that I took, US dollar against the Canadian dollar, and we were looking to short it. So why were we looking to short it? Well, we was in this uptrend using this blue line as a channel. Yeah, you can see this blue line here was acting as diagonal support. And then eventually we broke this channel, and we also broke these lows as well, guys. All right, so we were, in a downtrend, and we still are. If we zoom in, price is now in a downtrend, retraced, and it's at a very interesting resistance level both here and here. This is a weekly resistance level, guys. Then we got a big bearish candle, okay, and the idea was to sell, yeah, because of this. So we're going to take it down to here, if not here. Okay. And if you look at yesterday's candle, nothing's changed, guys. This is, it is a doji, but we've had a rejection, yeah, at this level as well. All right. So still looking to short US dollar, Canadian dollar. If we drop down to the H4, well, it wasn't really, let's drop down to the H1. Okay. Because it was a bit of a H1 play. So, price come up to here. We got a bearish reaction in here. Price came down, retraced, and I actually entered here. Okay. I started selling here, guys. I put my stop above here. Okay. And the idea is to take it back down to this blue level here. All right. So that's the idea. And as you can see, guys, my risk to reward, yeah, makes sense. All right. So I'm in this trade. I haven't taken any profit yet. Okay, selling here, stop up here. But initially, guys, I know this looks like a large stop, but all I'm going to do is once I, but imagine you putting your stop here, above here, you would have got taken out. So price come up, would have taken you out, and then you would still be in, you wouldn't be in this trade anymore. So I'm just going to start trailing my stop down. All right, and take it back down to here. So that's the trade that I'm in. I haven't taken any profit. We'll see how this plays out today, but still looking for shorts. Also, guys, we were looking at pounds US dollar, and we were looking to buy this as well. Okay, and as you can see, this is going to still be a trade idea for today as well. So why were we looking to buy pound US dollar? Well, it was in an uptrend. Yeah. As soon as we started breaking this high, even this high with this candle, we're in an uptrend. We're getting higher highs. And now has price come back down to the moving average 20, and we've got this very bullish reaction off of this zone, off of this moving average 20. But this was obviously the candle that we were looking at, and we had a nice bullish reaction. If we go down to the H4 now, because it was tricky, because if you look at H4, H4 structure was in a downtrend. Okay. And when we get back up to here, we was having this conversation in the VIP Discord, guys. If you're interested in that, come join it. Yeah. Because there's an area of resistance here. Okay. So price could have quite easily come back down, but instead it's pushed through. Okay. And above the moving average 20. Now this trade becomes more appealing to me. Okay, because it's kind of broken through this level. But yesterday it hadn't. If we drop down to the H1, H1 had broken. Yeah, but you can just see here, guys, once we started to get this break of this level, we were straight into another level here. This could be good resistance, but it's broken that level as well now. So this would be more of a trade for today, not yesterday. We get a retrace, we could start buying pound US dollar. And the final trade from yesterday was Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Let's take a look at this one. If we start with the day chart, guys, yeah, today it's become less appealing because of yesterday's candle, but price had come down, Yeah, we've got this sort of box of indecision. Then we got a break, and then we've got a sort of a retrace. We had a bullish candle. We had this, doji, but the idea was still to come up back up to this level. Okay. But yesterday's candle now was more bearish than anything. So I'm less inclined to keep buying this pair now. If we drop down to the H1, we did get a bit of a H1 play, but it just become tricky. Yeah, because this candle here, I like, obviously. Yeah, this is telling me that buyers are in control. Let's do this. And that's the first candle that tells me that. None of these in here tell me this. Okay, it's this candle here. But as soon as we get this candle, it is at this H1 resistance level. Okay, so even if I wanted to trade this, I'd potentially wait for a retrace, but we don't get it. And then it shoots off up to the next level of resistance. So every time we got a bullish candle, it was into resistance. So therefore, didn't have a trade. And even if you did buy at this candle, realistically, your stop needs to go down here. And also realistically, your target should be here, which it doesn't reach. But the trade itself doesn't make sense. Yeah, your risk to reward is all wrong. All right, so Canadian Swiss franc, for those reasons, we didn't have a trade as well. So it was only US dollar, Canadian dollar, and we're still in that trade, guys. And as I said, I put all of my trades in the VIP Discord. That was yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, maybe you took some of the trade ideas, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel. Merci beaucoup, dankeschön, gracias, shukran. Bear with me today, guys. I am super snotty. Yeah, probably too much information, but I am. So anyway, the trades for today, Tuesday, the 14th of November, guys. Before I give you my trade ideas, let me just mention a few things the channel does. You may be interested. So first of all, we got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it, guys. Yeah, we got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We got indicators, useful links, books. Loads of value. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Also, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about anything to do with trading. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, entries, stop losses, take profits. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week. We've got, loads of tutorials to help you with your trading. And we've got access to a performance coach as well, guys. So much value in the VIP. Check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade like myself and read the charts like myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And also, guys, if you watch the live stream every day, you watch this analysis vid every day, and you would like to show your support, well, you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and you can become a supporter or a gold member, and both have lots of perks, guys. So check it all out. It's all in the video description. And don't forget the Sit on Your Hands podcast this evening with Kev. Show your support, guys. Get your questions over to him. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 14th of November, guys. So it seems like a day doesn't go by where I don't talk about the dollar index. Yeah, every day, guys, I'm talking about the dollar index, and nothing's changed. I just constantly looking at it. I don't know why. I need to get out more. All right, but we was in this range and we've broke. Okay, and now we're starting to see some bearish candles form. Okay, so, is this dollar weakness going to continue? All right, and I think, I don't like using terms like I think, but the market structure is telling me potentially we have room to come down to here. Therefore, we can, we will see some US dollar weakness. So bearing that in mind, my first trade idea for today is they're all US dollar pairs today, guys. The first one is euro against the US dollar. Okay, so why are we looking to buy this? Well, it's quite obvious, really, guys. Yeah, you can see we was in this uptrend at this point, then it kind of ranged, and then it broke the range. We are getting higher highs, higher lows. You know, this is potentially the last higher low. And the idea is to come back up here. Okay, so that's just following simple daily structure back up to the highs. Yeah. What I was waiting for, guys, was a nice bullish reaction. You can clearly see this is a good support level, but we got this nice bullish candle. Okay, not super bullish, but bullish. And I like it because it broke. If I move this a little bit. Yeah, it broke this last high of this candle as well. Okay, and the idea is to come back up to here. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, like I said yesterday, guys, during the live stream, the market wants to show its hand, okay? And it started showing its hand here, okay? I can even bring this in a little bit, okay? So it was all about this level, guys. Price reacted, it's reacted, and it still hasn't broke this high. Look at all of these wicks are closing back into this grey zone, all right? But we are getting a lot of bullish momentum. So chances are we will see a break of this level. And that's what we're looking to do, guys, yeah? Once we get, if I zoom out a little bit so you can see the bigger target, once we get a break of this level here, yeah, we get a break through this level, retest, we can start buying it back up to here and back up to this 107.50 psychological level. I do like a psychological level as much as I like Gal Gadot, and that's saying a lot. So there you go, guys. Yeah, euro US dollar. We're looking for this idea to trade it. You could be more aggressive. Yeah, let's say price comes back down, and you can see there's a level through here. Yeah, where price has been reacting. If we get a bullish reaction in here, we could also start buying euro US dollar. So that's the first US dollar major we're looking at. The next one is pound US dollar. Okay, and arguably on the day chart, well, not arguably, on the day chart, this has had a more bullish candle. Okay, so potentially we even like this more. I mean, look at this bullish candle compared to the euro US dollars bullish candle. Yeah, this is more bullish. So we like pound US dollar as well. And again, very simple scenario, similar to euro US dollar. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay, price has retraced to a nice level. Not only this last high here, yeah, but the moving average 20 as well. So that was a really nice level, and now price has pushed off. And we've got another bullish candle yesterday. So again, the idea is just to come back up to these highs. All right, like I say, guys, market structure, support and resistance, candlesticks, you know, value. This trade gives us value because we have lots of room to move into. These are simple ideas, but they are what? They are the building blocks of a successful strategy. Yeah. So don't forget, don't overlook any of them. Pay attention to all of them and across several time frames. So that's what we're looking to do, guys. Buy pound US dollar. If we look at the H4, okay, let's look at the H1. It's more of a H1 play. You can see there's this level through here. And again, the market has shown its hand. Yeah, it said, Tom, this level here has become important. I say, thank you, Mr. Market or Mrs. Market. I will pay attention to the levels you're showing me, and I will trade from those levels. Thanks once again, Mr. Mrs. Market. Sorry, guys, I've got a cold and I'm under a lot of medication. I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, the market has shown its hand, this level here, not the big grey zone, this little grey zone here. All right. So that's what we're looking to trade from. If we get a retrace back down to here, the moving average 20 as well, we get a nice bullish reaction out of here. We can start buying pound US dollar. Okay. I mean, it could come back down to here, guys. This is another nice level. Yeah, if it come back down to here, still doesn't break H1 structure, this could be a nice level to trade from as well. If we get a bullish reaction. If we look at the H4, I mean, H4 is still in a downtrend. So really, potentially a first target, if we got a retrace here and we started buying, really we need to put this next level here as a target, take some profit and then let some profit run. So pound US dollar as well. And finally, our old favorite that we haven't, stopped talking about, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So all US dollar pairs today, guys. Nothing else was setting up for me today. And, maybe some of the VIP Discord guys, maybe you found some other trades. Please let us know. Yeah, put them in the VIP Discord. Again, not much has changed with this trade as well, guys. So US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, you can see we was using this blue line as a support line. Yeah, this channel. Yeah, it broke that level. It also broke these lows. Even these lows, we're in a downtrend. Okay. And then price has retraced to a very nice level. And we're just seeing bearish candles. Obviously, this candle is more bearish than this candle. But then look at the wick on that candle. There's still rejection to the downside. It is a doji. Yeah, there's no getting away from that. It is a doji. But look, this wick is bigger than this wick. So that's encouraging as well. All right, but there's been rejection. And the idea is still to come down to one of these levels. I'm actually in this trade as we speak. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, it's become a bit of a H1 play. All of these have. So you can see, if we just follow H1 structure, that it come tumbling down, and this is where we are currently. We're getting lower lows, okay? Will this be the next lower high? We don't know, maybe, okay? So I'm just going to follow H1 structure, and I'll be willing to take a trade from this level. If we get a bearish reaction here, I will start selling this pair. This level through here is still important, and I would like us to see us break this level as well. Yeah, or price comes all the way back up to these last highs. Yeah, these last highs in here, and we get a bearish reaction. Again, I will start selling, guys. All right, so it's all about the US dollar today. And guys, if you enjoy my analysis, please subscribe to the channel right now. Also, if you could please smash the like button, yeah, it really helps support the vid. And if everyone could please check out all the cool things we do. Yeah, we've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership, guys. All the information is in the video description. Right, let's check out the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 14th of November. As I alluded to earlier, love that word, alluded. As I alluded to earlier, guys, it's a busy news day. All right, some of these 2-star ratings I disagree with. I believe these are 3-star ratings. And first of all, at 7 o'clock, London GMT, coming out of the UK, we have got a bunch of employment data. Okay, so all of these combined, unemployment rate, employment change, claimant count change, average earnings, all of this together is going to be a powerful bit of news for the pound, guys. So if you're in any pound pairs, must be aware of this. A little bit later at 7:30, we got PPI coming out of the Swiss franc. So this is important for the Swiss franc. It's like inflation for businesses. So again, very important. And then 15 minutes later, we've got the Swiss National Bank, Thomas Jordan speaking. What a wonderful first name he has. And he's speaking at 7:45, guys. So there's, again, we've got, that's important news for the Swiss franc. So that can move any Swiss franc pair. If we carry on down, guys, again at 10 o'clock, it's all of this news for the euro. So this German zoo current conditions and economic sentiment combined with the euro GDP quarter on quarter, year on year, more economic sentiment, all of this euro data in here is like one big 3-star rating. Okay, so must be aware of that if you're in any euro pairs. And then if we carry on down, guys, we've got, the real big news today is this. At 1:30 London GMT, we've got the core CPI month on month, year on year, and CPI month on month, year on year. So obviously, all eyes on this, guys. Really important data, can really move US dollar pairs. So must be aware of this. And then if you're still awake, guys, if you're still in the nightclub trading, maybe, then at 11:50 we have GDP coming out of Japan. Okay, so again, important figures for any yen pairs. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. Don't forget to join us for the podcast later today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later, guys.